and welcome to the Key Learning Initiative. Today's topic, Exponents, Law 1 with constants and variables. So, Law 1, if I have a to the power of m and times a to the power of n, it equals a to the power of m plus n. So what that means, when multiplying like bases, keep the base the same and add your exponents. Example number 1. I have 2 to the power of 3 x to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 2 x to the power of 5. So that equals 2, and my bases are the same with this 2 and the second one, and so I add my exponents. 3 plus 2. Now I look at my x, and I have x to the power of 4 and x to the power of 5. Because I'm multiplying, I add my exponents, and so I have 4 plus 5. So 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 is 5. X to the power of 4 plus 5 is 9. Example 2. 5 squared dot 9 cubed times 5 to the power of 6 dot 9. All dots mean multiply, and so we can see that everything is multiplied here. When they're multiplying, if my bases are the same, I can add my exponents. So let's have a look. Our first base of 5, we can now add our two exponents for the 5s. So 2 plus 6. Now we look at our next base, which is the 9. Again, we can add our exponents, so it's 3 plus. Now in our last 9, there's no number there, so remember there's an invisible 1. So now we sort out our exponents. 5 to the power of 2 plus 6 gives me 8. And then 9 to the power of 3 plus 1 gives me 4. Example 3. A to the power of 7b squared times a squared b to the power of 4. Everything's multiplied, so our bases are the same. We add them. Let's have a look. Our a, we have an a to the power of 7 and an a squared, so we add our exponents, 7 plus 2. Then our b, again it's all multiplied, and so with our b we add our exponents, our 2 plus 4. Therefore, a to the power of 7 plus 2 is 9, and b to the power of 2 plus 4 is 6. Example 4. 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2 times q to the power of 5, all multiplied by 2 squared times 3 to the power of 5 times q. So let's have a look at it. Our 2's have an exponent of a 3 and a 2, and so we can add it. 2 to the power of 3 plus 2. Now, our 3's, or our 3 bases. Our first one is 3 squared and is 3 to the power of 5. And so we have 3 to the power of 2 plus 5. Lastly, we have q. We have q to the power of 5 times q. And so we have q to the power of 5 plus 1. And so that gives us 2 to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 7, q to the power of 6. And so thank you for watching the Exponents Law 1 with constants and variables. Please like and share. There will be lots more content coming soon.